to have my mind run on its own. I like to think of what I did today, yesterday, and maybe even last week. Even if I wasn't feeling great on the day or two beforehand, maybe even today. I honestly can't have it pulling me down. Sure, it's fine to be a bit of a bummer at times, but I do want to feel happy as well. I want to be creative and show the world who I am. Hopefully the world notices me one day. Whether that be tomorrow, next week, or next year even. But it really feels great to create things, to be able to look forward to do so too. So maybe, even if it doesn't seem like it at first, I'm okay.